Thank you so much for your time on the show, Andrew. And I'd like to get your sense on what was playing out for the market this week. How are investors looking at the markets this week?
Yeah, we have continued to see the market trading in the positive territory, even though today's one was a bit moderated, given the fact that, in spite of the market breadth, we didn't quite see so much in terms of the value of trades. And as a matter of fact, we saw about how the average daily trading happening today, unlike what we saw averagely for last week and the previous, week trade. So coming down from about excess of 5 billion to about 2.6 billion, that's some level of moderation. However, I think that said, I do think still that investors still have some level of confidence in the market. They find the current prices still attractive, and that this is evident from the patronage that we continue to see. I think the other thing to remark about is the fact that these gains are across sectors. Today's trading, obviously, we only saw the insurance sector not quite trading in the positive, but the rest of the sectors were very much in the positive territory. So I think this is likely to be sustained in the course of the trading week.
All right, then, but let's look at the performance on the month of May. Quite impressive one we're looking at industrial goods index up almost 19%. We're looking at consumer goods up almost 14.5%. What do you think we can see this repeat in the month of June?
Okay, the two sectors basically have a continuing impact on the economy. You're looking at the likes of the cement companies represented by Dangote Cement, Boa Cement, Lafarge Wapco. Given the government, disposition to enhance infrastructural development, very much so, we think that these companies will continue to do well. Their products will likely be in continuing demand. However, in the space of the COVID-19 effect and the like, we probably will see some moderation in terms of capacity utilization. Otherwise, I think on the demand side, that is already there. But in terms of real activity taking place, we probably will see some moderation in the course of the month. But with gradual easing too, that may also be punctuated. So I think it's a mixed bag in terms of both supply and demand. However, on the whole, I think at the end of the day, it should be positive, even if mildly so.
All right, then definitely a lot to look at there. The market is just starting, and we'll see how things play out for the rest of the week. Thank you so much for your time on the show. I've been speaking to Andrew Tsaku. He's a trader at Kapital Care Trust.